Hi, it's Razr, and today I'll show you how to use the modes on camera in Motorola Razr 7E. So first go into the camera, then find more, and here you have a couple of modes. Also right here you have them. So first let's start with normal photo. It's just a normal photo mode. Right here you have the zoom. In here you can change the filter. You have the external display on and off. Here you can go to Google Lens, enable or disable the flash, change the style, the active photos enable and disable, change the aspect ratio, the timer, and here you can go into the camera settings. In video it's pretty much the same. Here you can change the horizontal lock, the aspect ratio, here the resolution. Also we have the slow motion, the portrait mode, which also here you can change to the full view, the wide photo or the standard, the frame match, and in more we have scan for scanning the documents, night mode for taking the photos in the dark, panorama for ultra wide photos, ultra resolution, pro photos, photo booth, time lapse, and dual capture video. In pro mode also you can change every setting of the photo, for example the focus, white balance, the shutter speed, ISO, and exposure. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.